I feel so bare and so weird, but I hope you guys are excited for today's video, because today we're going to be doing our BOXYCHARM unboxing for the month of July. And yes, we're going to be doing a try-on style haul. So if you guys want to see everything that's going to be in this month's box, then just stay tuned. All right, you guys, so we have our box here, and the very first thing we have here, which I got to use just a moment ago, was the Dr. Brandt Needles No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. It's got a very interesting cooling sensation to it, but it definitely made my under eyes pretty hydrated, so that's really nice. All right, so the next thing we have in our box here is the what is this? Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. So it's got the little eyebrow brush on one side, and then when you open the other end, the cream is right on the inside. We're gonna go ahead and try to use the brow brush. See if I can get any product out of this. It's definitely waxy, I will say that. All right, so we got the brow on. Let me go ahead and finish up the other brow really quickly. Okay, you guys, so we have both eyes now done. I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys know that I don't know how I feel about this product. First of all, it's good. It's a little bit of a different consistency for me, I feel like, but I will say that the only thing I don't like about this is that having to dip this into the little tube, like I feel like it's very difficult to get any product out of it. I wish that this was a little bit wider. I feel like it would just be easier to get the product out that way. Otherwise than that, I'm gonna go ahead and set it and make sure that it stays on all day. So I'm gonna go ahead and bronze up the skin really quickly, and to do so, I'm gonna go in with this one. It's a little bit of an older product, but I really like it. It's the Tarte Contour Palette, and it has multiple shades, highlighting, contouring, and a blush. The next product we got in our box is this blush right here by Note. The one that I got in is in the shade number 5 called Desert Rose. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to apply this with my Morphe brush. This here is the Morphe M403. Woo! That is a lot of blush. Holy moly. Oh, chits. Wow, I was not expecting that. Oh my goodness. Holy moly. Oh my gosh. Okay. We're just going to keep going, but that is bright. So bright, you guys. For highlight today, I'm going to go in with the Kylie Cosmetics highlighter. This one is in the shade called Salted Caramel. So the next item we have in our box is this palette right here by Crown. This is Crown Pro. And I'm excited. No! Mother trucker, you guys. Okay, so here is, I'm going to try to hold it up like this, but I'll show you guys a close-up. But basically, it's a very neutral palette. A lot of the colors in here I definitely have, so what we're going to create today is obviously going to be a super neutral look. I might add some glitter or something to just kind of make it pop a little bit more. For a lot of you guys who are going to be getting this box, this is a great everyday palette for you guys. A lot of these colors are very good colors that a lot of people tend to really enjoy. So to begin the look, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to prime my eyes first using the Luscious Cosmetics Angel Eye Primer. I'm going to start off with this first shade, and I'm just going to take it using a Morphe fluffy brush. And I did not set my eyes because I want to try it and see how it does as far as the pigment goes. Now we're going to take a little bit of a smaller brush and we're going to go in with this shade right here. And we're going to deepen the crease just a little bit more. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to deepen the crease furthermore using this burgundy shade right here. So you just want to follow the crease area and blend it out. And it's okay if you get it on your lid because we're going to cut the crease anyways. So we're really just focused about really deepening that crease. Now furthermore, I'm going to go in with that deep chocolate brown right here, and I'm going to put that right in the crease area. You're going to see a lot of it go onto my lid, which is fine because I'm really just trying to define the crease. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add just a little bit of concealer right in this portion of the eye and blend it out because I want the color to be pretty intense right here. So what I think I'm going to do now is I'm going to go in again with that chocolate brown, and I'm going to take it on more of a packer brush, and I'm going to pack it right on there. That way the color is like super intense. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just kind of going along with it, if you guys can tell. Using a little bit of MAC Fix Plus, I'm going to go in with this shade right here, and I'm going to pack it right on the center for a little bit more pop. Right in the center of the lid, let's go ahead and pop this one. Just to add a little bit of, there we go, intensity. I am going to do wing liner today, and I'm going to be using the NYX That's the Point liner. So for the inner corner, this is completely optional, but I decided to go in with the Stila Cosmetics Rose Gold Retro liners. And I just used an eyeliner pencil to map it out and just drew it right on. So I'm going to go in with the burgundy shade, and I'm going to run it on my lower lash line. So last thing we have in our box is the mascara. So I'm going to go ahead and apply some. This here is the Wander Beauty Unlashed Curl and Volume, or Volume and Curl Mascara. I'm going to go ahead and finish off with a little bit of a trio. I'm going to be taking the Kat Von D lip liner in Lolita. This here is the new Born to Run collection, which I just did a full on swatch and review, so I'll link it right here if you guys want to check it out. And then this here, which I also featured in my PR haul from NARS, is the NARS Lip Vinyl Lacquer in Conquest. All right, you guys, so that there finishes my BOXYCHARM unboxing slash try on. I'm going to tell you guys right now, I'm not sure how I feel about the entire box. If I have to say the thing that I like the most of this entire box would have to be the eyeshadow palette. I feel like that performed the best. The least product I liked was probably the mascara. I just felt like it really didn't do anything to my lashes. And yeah, I mean, it's an okay box. I wouldn't say it was my favorite box. We've had much better boxes, but it's an okay box. Let me know your guys' thoughts on this month's box, and let me know if you guys are excited about this month's box or if you guys just don't like it. I just want to hear your thoughts. Otherwise, if you guys want to subscribe to BOXYCHARM, I'm going to have the information linked down below. And make sure to subscribe before you guys head out. And also make sure to follow me on social media, where I do a lot of Instagram postings and giveaways and stuff there. So make sure to head over. I will have all that good stuff linked below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.